Hey everybody, Mike here and welcome to the channel. Well, as you probably have seen, I started creating tutorials again, so far mainly on Fusion 360, for the simple reason that that's what I'm working on at the moment, right? And hey, why not share? That said, I immediately got a comment saying, are you going to be doing portfolio reviews again? Now, for those of you who don't know, I've been in the 3D industry for quite a while, and I've been teaching for quite a while. And I get a lot of questions from people saying, hey, check out my 3D portfolio, game designer, character, sculptor, and so forth and so on. And my approach to that is twofold. One is kind of comment on maybe some tips on the art itself, besides having a personal style, right? Things you can take into account and so forth. But mainly things where I would say, okay, how does that contribute to you finding your desired position, the job you want, the company you want to be hired by, and so forth. So I'll look at things more from a PR and marketing standpoint. How are you promoting your business, yourself as a 3D artist, and that kind of thing. How I did that in the past was I allowed people to submit a link to their portfolio, and then I would pick one and I would do a video where I did the review live. So I'm going to offer you the opportunity to do that. It is February 24th. Any request I received before March 1st, I will consider for a video, right? So send it to mh-tutorials@hotmail.com before March 1st. Keep in mind that if I do pick your portfolio, it will be in a video and it will be for all to see, right? And I'll try to be fair, but I will also be critical. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you send in a link to your portfolio. I can't wait to see what comes in. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.